The last exercise, or rather two exercises, asks you to take a piece of music, very short one, and make some harmonic annotations onto the score. The first set of annotations I want you to make are to add Roman numerals. I've done the first two for you. Technically, how you do it is fairly easy. Click on the note. Click on this little button here that allows you to put some sort of chord symbol or text under the note, the bass note, and simply enter a chord symbol. Now, as usual, I've entered something there that isn't right, but you can work out what it is and what it needs to be. It's just a Roman numeral and A, B, C, or D in some cases, indicating the inversion of the triad that has been used in the harmony at that point. So that's the first harmonic annotation. The second one asks you to do something different. That is, not identify the triads that have been used to put together the harmony, but how the voices work. This is called figured bass notation. It's started as an 18th century device for indicating how the continuo player was to realize the bass part, what notes to place above the bass when he or she was extemporizing the keyboard part just from the cello or bass line. But now we use it as a way of analyzing the movement of the various parts. So you'll see here is the bass of the piece at that point, an A, and there is a third above the bass and an implied fifth above the bass. Figured bass is always done by counting the interval above the bass line. So it's a fairly mechanistic process in one way, but it does reveal certain elements of how the voices move. And that can be useful when we're looking at, later on, when we're looking at things like suspensions and their resolution. So it's important that you learn how to notate these things. Again, you simply, technically speaking, you put, so there's an A above the F sharp, that's going to be a 3, but there's also a D above the F sharp, which is a 6. And then to put a second one in, just hit the return key. It creates that. To erase something, just highlight it and erase it, because I don't strictly need that 5 because there's not actually a fifth, even though it's an A major chord. There is not actually an E in the chord.